Hello guys, my name is Dipto. Welcome to my channel Techno Talker, and today I am gonna share with you 5 productivity tools that make your life much more easier and help you to get productive. So without talking too much, let's dive in. So the first tool is Notion, and Notion is a task organizer and workspace manager. Here you can add all types of text document. Let me share my one. So here is my one. So you can see here is lots of pages. This is for my YouTube content, and you can see all the content type here. And for a specific page, you can see the detailed content here. So I have organized all of my tasks, all of my document here in Notion, and Notion really helped me to get organized. Also, you can use the Notion mobile application, and that will help you to connect with your workspace every time. The next productivity application name is Habitify, and by help of this Habitify, you can build your better habit and get rid from bad habit. So here is the Habitify. You can use Habitify from this web application, as well as this has a mobile application. So after open the Habitify application, you can see a little minimalistic UI here, and tap on this plus button. You can see the break bad habit and create good habit. So let me add some bad habit. So maybe you are a smoker and you want to quit smoking, so this application will help you to do that. I will add the stop smoking, and goal is quit this habit. Okay, and today start date today. Okay, start date today, and let me add. So you can see here the stop smoking active habit is here, and here is a little bit timer. So if you don't smoke in a whole day, you can click the succeed button here, and if you smoke in a day, you can maybe do this maybe fail option. It will check your everyday data and it will give you a proper statistics, are you quit smoking or not. Okay, also you can add some good habit here, create good habit, like you want to do you want to build some good habit. Maybe you wanna build a reading book habit, then you can add this read book, and you can repeat this for every day, or maybe whatever you want, you can add this here. And the goal is one time per day, anytime you can add anytime, or you can specify the time here. Maybe I will read the book in the morning. If you set the timer here, it will give you the reminder for every day in that particular time, so it will help you to build your habit properly. The next productivity application is Google Calendar, and you can find Google Calendar very helpful. It will help you keep organized. If I add any schedule here, it will give me a reminder before the deadline, so it's really very helpful. So in Google Calendar, you can add your task and schedule here. Maybe you have some task on 14, and you can click here and you can add the task, maybe meeting with someone, meeting with someone. Okay, meeting with someone. You can add the title here. You can add any event or any task, appointment schedule. You can add also the Google Meet link here, that you can directly go in the meeting from there. Maybe you have a meeting with 2 or 3 persons, you can add them on this guest list, and you need to just put their email here, and they will be automatically notified about this meeting. As well as you can add task here. Maybe let me on the month view here, maybe have some task on 16. Maybe YouTube video publish. So YT publish. Okay, so YT publish is a daily basis task. It will rotate after a particular time. So you can add this something like that, like this is a task, and you can add and you can set the schedule from here. It will be start with it will start on 16, and I can do the custom thing, and it will remind me every maybe every Tuesday, and Tuesday and Saturday it will be reminder me, and it will never end. And if I save this, then you can see every Saturday and Tuesday the task list is already entered here, and every scheduled day it will give you a notification, please do publish video on YouTube. You can also use Google Calendar in your mobile. because it has a mobile application and it will help you to keep notify about your task and schedule, event, everything. So it's really very helpful. Number 4th productivity apps is Todoist, and it's a task organizer. Maybe you have a small team and maybe you have to continuously collaborate with them for different specific tasks, and in that situation our 4th productivity tools come into play, and you can monitor the task progress from one dashboard. So it's really very helpful. It also has mobile application and it will give you a great support in terms of portability. So this is the Todoist mobile application. You can add tasks from here, maybe project deadline, project e-commerce, and maybe it's this weekend, and you can set the priority from here. Maybe it's priority number 2, and reminder and location is only available for pro version, so currently we don't need this. Okay, so we set this here, and project e-commerce, we need to collect the requirements. Okay, and I have added here, and if you go to the inbox, you can see the in priority 1 this is the demo task. So I have added this project e-commerce for the priority 2, and you can see this from here. And clicking on project e-commerce, you can also add some subtask here if this project have any subtasks, and this is the really clean minimalist UI, and definitely you will find this helpful. And our 5th productivity application is Shortform. Shortform is a book summary application, and book is very important for our day-to-day life for gain knowledge. Our world is competitive day by day, and in this competitive world, if you wanna make your place secure, then you have to learn lots of things. And book is a great way to learn different things. Because of time constraints, sometimes we avoid books, and here our 5th application comes into play. You can find the tons of book here with a great summary and the audio version. So here is the Shortform application. You can see here is lots of categories and tons of books here. And this is the Atomic Habits. By the way, this is a great book for building habits. You can see the book from here. Also audio available. Sometimes we don't have time to read books. In that situation, maybe you can listen audio, and this is also a great way for learning or reading books. So this is a great application. So these are our 5 applications that help you stay productive, and if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and do subscribe. And definitely if you have any confusion, any suggestion, you can leave a comment below, and you can find all the 5 application link in the description. And no more today. Stay productive, stay healthy. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.